Hello and welcome to Mathematics with Simon. I'm Simon. Today we're going to explore 5 to the 0 and 0 to the 0. What are these wonderful things? So let's start here. 5 to the 0. Well, we know that a to the b times a to the c equals a to the b plus c. So that means that 5 to the 0 times 5 to the 4, say, has to equal 5 to the 0 plus 4, which is just 5 to the 4. Or 5 to the 0 times 5 to the d in general is going to be 5 to the d. What this must mean is that 5 to the 0 can only be 1, because 5 to the 0 times a thing equals the thing, so 5 to the 0 must be 1. Another way of thinking is 5 squared is 5 times itself kind of twice. 5 to the 4 is 5 multiplied by itself 4 times. 5 to the 0 is 5 times itself no times, which is the empty product, which you could just say should be the identity. So the multiplicative identity is just 1. That's another way of thinking that 5 to the 0 is 1. But there's nothing special about 5, so 7 to the 0 or 1257 to the 0 are both going to be 1. Everything to the power 0 is 1. Well, maybe not everything. Is there something special about 0 to the 0? We know that 0 squared, 0 times 0 is 0, and 0 to the 100, 0 times 0 times 0 times 0, etc., is going to be 0. So that might suggest that 0 to the 0 should be 0, but on our previous page we saw that anything to the power 0 should be 1. So we've got a bit of a conflict here. There's not really one acceptable answer. You get quite a lot of this in mathematics and particularly in my recent videos. A lot of people are more happy calling it 1, and this does sort of work more with the empty product perspective. So if we just say 0 to the 0 is 0 times itself no times, so then we use the identity, which is 1. So this is a bit less indeterminate than 0 over 0. There really is no value of 0 over 0. 0 to the 0, you could call it 1. I hope you liked this. If you do, please hit like. You're very welcome to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Love to hear your ideas, and I very much hope you enjoy your mathematics. Please suggest any more future videos involving 0. I'm always interested.